Hi, Daniel Hall here from DanielHallPresents.com, and I wanted to make this quick video for you on how to go from your Kindle book to a specific location on a blog or website through a link within your Kindle book. Okay, and you're going to need this HTML code. It's called a tag, actually. This one right here to make it work. And this is actually called an anchor tag, which is why you see the A here. And you're going to actually insert where it says insert name between these 2 points right there. So you could just actually name your tag anything. For us, what we're going to do is I have a tag here named time. All right. Now let me show you something here that's kind of interesting. All right, so I am on my blog, DanielHallPresents.com, and I want to do this. I want to insert an anchor point within my products page here because, for example, the utility is that if I wanted to go from my Kindle book to a specific place on my products page here, I could do that with the technique that I'm teaching you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to whatever page you want. I'm going to do products and then edit. Then as soon as this comes up, you're probably going to see the visual view here. Okay, the visual view. You're going to want to go to the HTML view, all right, which looks like that. Now, go to the spot on the page. Now, by the way, don't freak out if you've never worked with HTML before, okay? This is really super easy to accomplish if you just follow the directions here. So what you need to do is sort of determine where in the page you want to link to directly. So let's just say it is for us, I have a product in here called Effective Time Savers, okay? So this is where I want to link or put the link so that if somebody clicks it in my Kindle book, it actually goes to this part of this page on my blog. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and grab the anchor text attribute here and tag that I've already typed in here with time because it's again time savers. So we're going to go ahead and grab that. I'm going to bring this over here so you can see. I'm going to copy it. Great. Now let's get rid of that for a second. And I'm going to put it right here. Okay? right where you see want to be productive. I'm going to put that right in front. So I'm going to put my cursor there and then I'm going to paste it in or hit Control V. And then there you go. So that is all you need to create this anchor point so that we could actually make a link that will go to this specific location on this specific page, okay? So let me go ahead and update this. All right, so we've updated it. All right, so we've updated it. Now, the next thing is you're going to need to make the link that you're going to next use in your Kindle book. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to actually hyperlink. This is actually the link to the page itself. Copy it. And then I'm going to come back over here. Actually, I've done this already, but let's just paste it in so you can see what's going on. I'm just going to paste it in right like that. And then this is what I want you to see here. This part right there, that bad boy right there, where you've got the number sign and then the name that you just inserted in the site. I remember if I go back here, let me show you again. I've got the word time in here. That's what I put in between the quotes right here. So consequently, I am going to come back here and put in, just like I've done right here, number sign, and then the word time. Okay, so that's done. Now, The next thing we are going to do, and that actually we could actually test this before we actually put this in into our Kindle book. So let's actually test it right now. I'm going to bring this down so that you can see. Here we're going to open up a new tab, and I'm just going to paste this in here. And actually, it didn't paste with it, so we're going to have to do the number sign and then the word time. And look what happens. It takes us exactly to where we want them to go, right? All right, cool. That's excellent. That's what we want. That's what we want people to see when they click on that link in your Kindle book. Okay, so cool. Now that we've got this is our URL, that now we go back to our Kindle book. Copy. Now, I do most of my Kindle books, I do most of the formatting for my Kindle books, at least this stage of it, within MS Word. So I'm in MS Word right here, okay? So let's just say that this is what we're talking about. That we're working with this sentence, and I want to put in a hyperlink to this resource called Effective Time Savers. So let's say I want to just hyperlink or anchor text, hyperlink this part of this text, and it will become anchored text by just highlighting it right like this. Just highlighted it. Systems on Time Management. And then I'm going to go up here to where it says Insert, and then Links, right up here. Then Hyperlink. Bring that over here so you can see. And then I'm going to put that link right here, the one that we just made at danielhall.com or danielhallpresents.com/time or /number time, just like that. And we're going to hit OK. So now this text, and you can see when I actually moused over it, this will actually go to that spot. So let me throw a save on this bad boy. There we go. And let's give it a test. I'm going to hit Control click. And let's see if it takes us to where and there it does. It takes us exactly to where we wanted it to go. You see that? Right here to Effective Time Savers. The idea here, folks, is that you want to make it really easy for your Kindle readers, whoever's reading your Kindle books, to go to the exact location that you want them to see without them having to go to a top of the page and then scroll down a page trying to find the resource that you're referencing. Now, one other note here. Let's say that this link right here, if you can see it, let me scroll up a little bit so you can see it. Let's say that this link right here was to a product on Amazon.com, okay? Well, then you would have to then make this your associates link or your affiliate link to Amazon, okay? So I just want to make sure that you all are understanding how to do that, and it's really not that difficult to do. And if you need to watch it a few times to actually make it work, then so be it. You have this as a resources. Appreciate you watching. This is Daniel Hall from danielhallpresents.com. We'll talk to you soon.